I feel very much honored and privileged to be with all of you. If we observe the present world scenario, the intelligent being on the earth, that is the human being, is cutting the trees and writing on the papers. So he who is cutting more trees is said to be more intelligent for his vested interest. He who is building a lot of hospitals, making the patients, poor patients, sell their houses, is said to be very intelligent. He who is constructing a lot of corporate educational houses are all said to be very intelligent. All these activities are the cost of world wellness. And the present tsunamis or earthquakes or hailstorms, the blizzards, all these things are just because of our deep vested interest, being separated from one's own oneness. So all the calamities and all the problems that we are facing in the world are just because if I do something wrong, how the world can be affected. We are not thinking of the whole world. We are not feeling as a member of the world. We are not getting connected to the world consciousness. That is the major problem plaguing us. And wellness, is it something which is an absence of illness? If I am not ill, does it mean that I am well? Is wellness confined to a time frame? Last week I was well, last year I was well, now I am ill. What is this wellness? Is it confined to a place? Japan is ill now, India is well now. What is this wellness? Wellness is something which can be synonymously called as oneness. Just now I was hearing to a song, wellness is oneness. That's a beautiful phrase. We have so many segments, as Professor Peter was telling. The physical aspects of health, the psychological aspects, the emotional aspects, the vocational aspects, the spiritual aspects. We have so many sectors and segments and dimensions. When we can connect all these dimensions together and love ourselves, being more harmonious with ourselves, then we can be called as a single being, one being, a person who is deeply connected to one's own self inside is able to connect the world wellness. So Professor Peter is one magnificent personality who has activated the consciousness of oneness inside. The reason why he is able to create this World Wellness Congress. Otherwise it's not possible at all. One who has mastered, understood the meaning of oneness alone can talk on world wellness. And even if we observe the word health came from old British English, from holos. Holos means whole being, W-H-O-L-E. Complete being, complete with all these internal segments, complete bridging between the rational mind and intuitive mind, bridging between head and heart, bridging the intellect and intuition, bridging one's own masculine and feminine qualities, bridging all that is existing inside, all the physical organs, all the mental organs, all the emotional organs, all spiritual organs inside. That is the real health, that is the real wellness. So, the wellness is like a well. No, lexigrammically if we speak, it is like a well, deep. And a person, if he is thirsty, cannot just dig a well and drink water. Well has already should be ready. When we are thirsty, we can't go and dig well for water. So wellness is basically a preventive aspect. It is not something when we get disease, we think of wellness. Even if you see the emblem of health worldwide, in all medical colleges, dental, nursing colleges, its common emblem, it's called caduceus, named, created by a great Greek philosopher by name Asclepius, which has got two wings, the left and right. One is called Hygeia. The word hygiene came from Hygeia, the elder daughter of Asclepius, the preventive aspects of health. And another is Panacea, the therapeutic aspects of health. And the serpent, crossing over all the 7 chakras. So this caduceus stands for the anatomy of the energy body. So that is the true symbol of the health and wellness. So how we can actually create a world wellness, as Professor Peter was rightly saying, we need to create a collective consciousness. We need to get connected with all those beings who understood the concept of oneness inside. 1 billion people, if they become conscious and truly work for world wellness, yes, all these 6 billion people will definitely follow. So it all depends upon you and me. If you and me do not work and think of world wellness, who else will do it? If you and me do not think of wellness now, when we are going to think? So it is now and here, from here exactly, we need to work and think and propagate the concept of world wellness. Thank you very much.
Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love myself.
I love my body. I love my family. I love
Everyone.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you. I love myself.
I love my body. I love my family. I love
Everyone.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.